Here we have all the birds at Kookaburra Bird Shop on December 31st, 2013. We are all singing in the new year with our raucousness, having a great afternoon. Let's see if we can we do have some wonderful singing canaries. They're Spanish timbrados. We have them on special for $99. Let's see if I can get anybody singing. Ah, the cinnamon dude is going to sing. Oh, he's going to stop. Of course they stop when I come up next to him. Oh, there he goes again. Who wouldn't want a canary to sing in the new year with? These are all 2013 babies. And they are singing. They have several to choose from right now. All with beautiful songs. I'm going to get one to sing for you guys. Of course, when I have the camera right up next to them, they don't want to sing. Oh, there we go. Probably your best bet is to just actually come in and listen to them for yourself. They don't want to hold still or sing on camera.